the Sharpen Go Mini. I just wanted to do a little bit of a demonstration. This is not a training, this is for demonstration only. And just out here on any tree, stump out in nature, you can use this piece of equipment, and whether it's sharpening scissors or sharpening a knife. And what I'm going to do is pull out a knife and we'll do a sharpening on a knife. Here we go. It's all ready to go. If you have any questions, you can get with me at Fix Your Shears. That's with a UR.weebly.com. It's pretty much set up right now for sharpening shears. You don't need any, sharpening scissors. Down. Kick it the other way. Bring up a burr. Then we're going to go with leather. This is back here. High speed with leather. Gentle. You see how sharp that is. Saves that right off. Boom. Saves all that hair off. Real nicely. You can be in nature, you can be fishing, you can do, this is only 5 pounds, just shy of 5 pounds. You can take this anywhere to do anything as far as sharpening. Now, I'm going to put a little clamp on and we're going to sharpen a scissor. Now, again, this is for demonstration purpose, not for training. I do mark down here the 42-degree angle that I want to hit on that scissor. This here is my own design. It's a little clip. It's a guide that you can set your scissor at so that you're guaranteed to hit that same angle every time. Instead of having a clamp, you have a clip. They call it the Sharpen Go clip. There we go. Got some scissors here. Now, for demonstration purposes, pretend that we have an abrasive on there, and I'm going to sharpen it, setting the angle. I'll make sure it's flat against this surface here, 42 degrees, and then I drop it down, check it, drop it down, check it. Make sure that it's the same angle. A lot of times as sharpeners, we get interrupted by hairdressers, and a lot of times we'll lose ourselves in the process. So this is a good way to not lose the angle if you're doing freehand. So you're not technically doing freehand, you do have a guide. There you go. Of course, you would take your disc off and finish with leather. Again, this is a demonstration, it is not training. But wonderful little clip thing I made there, and I sell those too. I can include that with the kit if you decide to purchase it. This is Robert Curtis with Sharpen Go Mini. Thank you very much for your time.